If you didn't know, there's two ways to use a can opener. This is how most people use their can opener. They angle the can opener vertically and let the blade cut through on the top inside of the can. I'm not gonna lie, this is how I've always done it as well. A problem with this is that sometimes the lid will just fall inside the can, so now you have to reach inside the can to take it out. Bacteria and dirt can get into your food, so if you do it this way, you should rinse the top of your lid first so it's clean. Or sometimes it gets stuck on the inside, and now having to deal with how to bend the lid outwards out of the can without cutting your finger. This honestly gets frustrating. Also, the lid can be jaggedy and sharp, so you need to be extra careful touching the edge of the lid so you don't get cut. But the best part of opening the can this way, even if it falls into the can, you can still use it as a strainer to drain out the liquid. I would still rinse the top part of the can first though. Now the second way, which is actually the correct way to use a can opener, is to angle the can opener flat horizontally with the blade facing the outside of the can. Lock it in and twist the can opener knob the same way. The best part of opening it this way is that the can opener holds onto the lid. It does it every time you use the can opener this way. Now you just open up the handles and the lid will release. Simple as that. The downside of opening the can this way, I find that it's not as stable to the surface than the first way, especially with smaller and shorter cans. So sometimes when you're opening the can, it wobbles and liquid or sauce may spill or splash out. Yes, it may be a little messier unless you have paper towel underneath or don't mind a small wipe afterwards. Also, when you use the can opener this way, it's sometimes cut through the paper label on the outside of the can. It may leak into the can, so you need to double check and make sure to remove any paper shreds that may have gone into the can. As you see, there's some paper shreds on the can opener. So in conclusion, which way do you think is the best? The first or the second way? I guess it all comes down to personal preference. For me, I prefer the second way, the correct way. I don't like my lid stuck or falling in the can, and I think that's my most concern and frustration I get when I use a can opener. That is just what has worked best for me. Did you know about these two ways? If not, now you do. Hope this video gave you a little more insight. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Aloha.